Our process here is we make a PVC plastic sheet. So we bring in materials that come around from around the world. We have a large mixing machine that we mix it all up, and then we extrude plastic into flat sheet.
I get to work normally producing samples that will be sent to all the different airline companies and design companies. So I'm usually working on samples, producing those really cool looking art designs on the pieces of Kydex plastics that we send out then.
It is my job to make sure that all team members across all 3 of our locations have the information that they need to do their job, whether they are on the production floor or whether they are with production support. I make sure all of our digital displays are updated and our communications to our team members are current, concise, and that everyone is on the same page.
I think the coolest part about manufacturing is to see how we can start off with a bunch of powders, and then you can see it go through the whole process. We get these little square rectangles at the end, and then we'll see our customers using the material, and then you get on a plane and you just see our material on the backside of a seat, and that's just so cool to me.